Hi, in this video we're going to have a short journey from the beginning of the idea of making Glask to the final prototype. In order to reach a good and unique model in Glask, we had to redesign the Glask more than 20 times from the beginning. At first, we decided to make Glask with the usual injection molding method. But the more we researched and made the prototype with 3D printing, we realized that there was a very big problem in our way. Not only for us, even for all the people who made the mask. The problem was, each person's face size is different. That means we can't make a few predefined sizes and sell them to the customer. We printed and tested more than 10 different models, and we were convinced that we had to look for a new way to make Glask. It was not possible to use the injection molding method to make a Glask for any person with any face size. Well, we decided to make all the parts used in Glask with 3D printing. The body of the Glask, which should be hard plastic. The glass of Glask, which should be transparent, strong and light. And the silicone that is used to seal the mask. That should be flexible and soft. This method is not cost effective because we have to make each Glask unique for each customer and according to the size of the customer's face. It takes about 20 hours to make each Glask with this method, while with the injection molding method it takes 3 hours. But with this method, we make sure that every customer buys a Glask from us, which is made with great care for that customer. All customers have to do is scan their face in 30 seconds with the software we give them and send it to us. Using the file, our designers adjust the Glask to the dimensions of their face and print the Glask for them. With the best and most advanced 3D printers we have, we can produce up to 20 glasses a day. We print Glask's PCB boards ourselves and install PCB parts and components, using our pick-and-place machine. Glask is a smart mask that uses the best and quietest fans to transfer fresh air into the mask in proportion to the activity of the body. In the Pro Plus version, we will also use Bluetooth bone conduction earbuds. The design and manufacture of Glask started in the fall of 2019, and our goal was to make a smart mask for dentists and people who always have to use a mask. The biggest reason for making this mask was that people who use this mask can better communicate with their surroundings and enjoy wearing the mask. Glask will not end here. We have just started and stronger versions are on the way. At the moment we are trying to help people with Glask during the pandemic, but Glask's mission is to help all the people who needed a mask both before and after COVID-19. Stay tuned and follow Glask News.